I'm
Get some bacon.
trying to
Go
get
some
work
bacon.
done, but there's a gentleman behind me that's creating a lot of racket, and I was getting ready.
Right. So here's. Oh, I'm sorry. Am I interrupting something really important?
No, sir.
This was probably really profound.
Is that Craig the Hut?
Is that Jet
Craig
Kaiser
the
back
Hut,
there?
Indianapolis.
Hi, Jet Kaiser.
Oh, and his
Look
brother,
at that.
too.
Oh, look at that. Who's that?
That's where you headed.
Headed to Israel, guys.
Oh,
That's right.
I need to check my calendar again. I forgot.
Yeah.
Today's travel day. We are all leaving our home and heading to Israel. In fact, Indianapolis friends have actually already left. They are going to go through Washington and then Zurich on their way to Tel Aviv. And Jeremy and Dan and I are going to go from Atlanta to Paris to Tel Aviv. In about 20 hours or so, we'll all be together in Tel Aviv.
All right, first leg down.
Landed in Atlanta, hopefully meeting Barry here in about an hour, hour and a half.
What are you doing? Where are you?
I'm about to walk up on my gate.
I am the last person to start going on the trip to Israel because I had to take my recertification boards for oncology today and my hematology yesterday. Don't worry about me, I am going to sleep well on the plane.
What you need when you go to Switzerland?
This is
Those are Swiss knives. Those are Swiss Army knives in chocolate flavor.
Is this it?
Okay, Jeremy and I have made it to Tel Aviv. 19 hours ago, I was sitting in my front yard.
It feels like 48.
It does.
Hopefully we get some sleep, but when we hit the ground, we hit the ground running.